Okay, so this is the remake of this 52-inch white Hampton Bay Waterton ceiling fan that is installed in the living room of a 1950s house. For the last demonstration that I filmed, well, I did film the first thing for this fan. That was with no light kit, because lighting is not best in this room, because I need to leave the light on for this fan because those bulbs are facing the fireplace, and it's not facing the walls to the window. So I decided to leave the light on because it's a better look at it. So yeah, I'll start with low this time for this demonstration. There's low. There's no furniture in this house yet, but there is pretty soon. I'm not the creator of this game. There's low. That's great low speed. It goes very slow. Alright, here goes medium. So yeah, this is a better look at this fan if I have the light on for it. Because if I had the light off, you would barely see this fan very well. This fan does not have the straightaway light fixtures for some reason. The creator of this game might have forgotten to put it in. But it is what it is, and that's okay, I guess. I won't mind. And this fan has a down rod. It's not flush mounted. Alright, here goes high. This is probably the fastest demonstration I've ever gotten so far. It's high. The light. Like I said, I need to keep the light on because lighting is not best in this room, because when I have the light off, you would barely see the fan, but you can see it good if it's like that. So that's it. This is the 52-inch white Hampton Bay Waterton ceiling fan that was installed in the living room of a 1950s house. Thanks for watching this remake video, and please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.